Okay. Little update. I found my boost leak.
Yeah. So we hooked that up.
We added a little bit of this to the gasket, you know what I mean, just to make sure she's sealed. And now I'm gonna swap this diverter valve out. Now these are adjustable. From right here, you give it a couple clicks. Boom. Now I'm going to install it on the Volkswagen. So I got stage 1 ECU. We got this boost leak fixed. I fixed the positive crank PCV breather. Same thing that the Audis have. AEB. So yeah, stay tuned. This is where I'm working. Okay. Right there. Gonna plug in right in there. All right. I think I got it. Yep. Ah, fuck, I forgot that one. Son of a bitch. Alright, stay tuned. I got it on. Hope it's hooked up right. Fuck it. This is my booty ass exhaust. Straight. Hell yeah. What the fuck? Did turbo gasket, me and Brad. Just did the blow off valve, diverter valve, whatever the fuck it is. Some hybrid shit. Alright. So like I said, turbo gasket complete. Diverter blow off valve complete. Just gotta clean up my mess and we should be able to be pulling 15 PSI. So let's go. So it's fucking going mint right now. Let's see if we can hit 15. Nope, it's not hitting 15 PSI like the tuner said. Hell yeah. Alright, quick little pull. I don't know if you can hear the blow off valve. Got the fastest car in the lot right now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Let's fucking go.